All you have to do is to click on the links that I will put on the description, and you open these various websites, watch ads, and earn money. Alright, let's start. I'll be showing you 4 different websites today, which will help you to earn up to $200 a day just by viewing ads. Okay, the first website is Brainbox.com. Don't worry, I'm going to put the links of all these websites on the description. So you just click directly on the links on the description and you fall on this website and register. Registration is not complicated. They are not going to ask you any money for you to be able to register on this website. So since I'm already registered there, I will go directly to my account. And here I am inside my dashboard. If you look down here, I've earned already 100 euro. How do you do to earn money in this website? It's simple. You just go to view ads, and when you are inside view ads, you see these ones that are blurred are ads that I've already watched today. So in view ads, you just want to go and click on a particular ad. When you click on it, you wait for some couple of seconds for the ad to display. After that, you come back here, you close the ad, you come back here, and the money will automatically be added to my account dashboard. So the first 3 websites that I will show you have basically the same way to earn money online. The second one is Brainbox. So here too is the same thing. All you just have to do is to go to my account, you register. Again, registration is free and not complicated. You register, go to my account, and you go to view ads, and you see ads today the same like this. So maybe the first 3 websites are obviously sponsored by the same person. All you just have to do is to click on ads, allow them to display for a particular amount of time, then you earn the money. So if you look at my account here, remember on Brainbox, I've earned already 100 euro, and here I've earned 42.9 euro. And that is simply because I don't even put much time in this work. Because if I have to put much time every day, I will earn more than this before the end of this month. I love to withdraw my own payments at the end of the month. That is why I don't just quickly rush, and their withdrawal limit is very low. So again, it's the same thing. You go to view ads, then you start watching your ad. The third one is this one. Here too is the same thing. When you are registered, you log in, you go to my account, and inside my account, you go to view ads and you start watching ads to earn money. Here you see I have 32.6 euro. And again, what is more interesting here is you can refer people to this website and get paid. So the more people you refer here and they register, whenever they click a particular ad, there is a percentage of their income that will come to your own referral system. That is why you see they say earn so far here. That's because my referrals have not earned anything today. So I'll put the links on the description below, and please click on my links to fall directly to this website so it can enable me to earn some coin. It is not a must, I'm just begging. Alright, those are the 3 first sites. So before we go to the 4th website, don't forget to like this video, comment on the video, and then subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for more videos on new videos. The 4th website is this one. This is the best so far that I use in earning money. Here I withdraw my money here on PayPal every week. You can see here I've already earned $1,000, and it is worldwide. It is not limited in any particular area. By the way, I'm in Cameroon, precisely Douala. So even in Africa, any particular country, you can still do this in all of these websites that I've just shown you. All you just have to do is to sign in, which is pretty easy. And when you are in it, you go to Wash Ads. In Wash Ads, all you have to do is just enter the numbers that are displayed here, and the money is being you earn the money. So for example, if I press 34.54.0 and I click on next. So for example, if I enter the digits that are being shown up here and click on next, watch here, you will see how dollars will be added here. So 84.56.7, and that is it. It has been added. My network is a bit slow, so that is why it's taking some time. 64.922. So that is how you do. And you notice that the moment the digits change, the advertisements also change here. So this is one of the most legit platforms that I use to earn money online. So what are you waiting for? Click on the links on the description, register to this website, and start making money.